Hi everyone, welcome to the course of how to integrate robot framework with Jenkins. So first of all, you need to install Jenkins. You can download it from www.jenkins.io download. Once you downloaded Jenkins, you can open it using this particular URL, localhost 8080 8080, and then you need to provide your username, which will be like admin, and the corresponding password. Once you log into Jenkins, then you need to set up the project. So let's say, as I showed you in the last video, where we created a script, a simple script using robot framework. Now we want to run that particular script from Jenkins. So let's go to new item so that we can create a job. So here in Jenkins, first I'll name it as robot dummy test. Then you need to select the type of project, is freestyle. Once it is selected, then you can click OK. So it will create a job name, robot dummy test. Once it is created, then you need to set up few things. So as we are running it from local, so source code management will be none. We don't need to specify any build trigger, and also we don't need to specify any build environment. We'll directly go to the build step and we'll run execute Windows batch command. So this is two simple command we need to provide here. So this is your CD, then the path where you have kept your robot test. So this is my path, and I have kept here robot test, which is dummy.robot, and then the next command will be robot dummy.robot. So basically I am moving to that particular robot directory, and then I'm running this robot, and that the test case name, which is dummy.robot. So once it is done, then you need to do the post build actions. So in the post build action, you need to select publish robot framework test result. What it does, it actually create a robot report within Jenkins. In order to create this report, you need a plugin, which is robot framework plugin. So you need to install this robot framework plugin. In Jenkins. So once it is there, then you will have this option in the post build actions. So you have to select publish build framework test result. Then you have to specify the path. So the path is this one, same directory as your robot script. So you have to provide this path here, and you have to just provide a value at 0, which is should be between 0 and 100, and yeah, so that's it. So now I will just save it. Once it is saved, so if you see here, there is nothing is run, so there is no history. You will just click on the build now, and it will call your script, which is stored in your local directory, and it will be run. If the sign is this, it means it's a success. Then you can open the report. So this, as we have robot plugin, so we'll see this robot result, and if you open here robot framework result, you will see all green. There are two test cases which we have written. All are like basic test case, and duration of run also you can see here, and it will say if you just click on this link, it will tell you okay, TC01 dummy and TC01123. So those two test cases were run and both are passed. Okay, so basically if you are doing any scripting for your application with a web or API, or ETL, so that script you can call using that command locally. And if you are doing if you are keeping your code in GitLab or any other Git repository, you can also configure that, but I'm not covering it here. So you can, so it's very basic thing, like you need a command, executable command, and you need this plugin robot framework, then you can see this kind of report. So that's it about this particular lecture. I'm going to give you some practice question in the next section so that the concept will be clear. Thanks for now. We'll discuss more in the next lecture.